Today we're going to have a look at this video converter. So this I use to convert to VGA so I can use a standard PC monitor. I use this for some of my older consoles. So I powered this up and unfortunately the polarity was all wrong, even though I'd convinced myself that I had it correct. Okay, let's take it apart and see what we find. Label on here. Let's see if this will come out. There we are. Okay. Right, doesn't look like there's too much to this. Let's bring in the microscope and let's see if we can see what's going on. We've got the power coming in there. So let's have a look. Just 3 inputs. Okay, let's get a bit. So, now we get a lot of digital noise at this. I thought there was something going on with that there, but maybe it's okay. That R13 looked a bit dodgy, but maybe it's okay. Okay, so it comes through here through a couple of capacitors. We can check them for shorts. We've got, what's that, an AMS 1117 1.8. I suppose that's a 1.8 volt voltage regulator, I assume. And then we've got, oh, this is a 3.3 one, but yeah, okay. Definitely a hole in it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's that's probably where the smoke was coming from. Okay, I'll have to check to see if I've got some of these, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, so that's not good. So what comes before it? So I think what we should do is these components here, anything that feeds into this, we should probably check. So it looks like it's just these 5 here. So it's obviously the negative side. Oh, that's good. That seems like those are all okay. And that must be from the negative there then. Okay, so I guess we just have to get that off of there. Let's see if we've got another one. Looks alright, but it's not. Okay, there we are. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it is secure. Right, okay, here we are. Let's put it back together again. Okay, there we are. Let's get it tested. We have everything set up now, so we've got the converter, we've got the composite input is coming from a C64, which is on the ground. Sorry, but the table's just not big enough to get everything on here at the moment. We've got the VGA out, which is going into this here. So it's going into this thing and down to the converter. Okay, let's give this a whirl. So power on, and we shall power on the converter. Hopefully we get the blue screen, that's good. So let's power up the C64 and see what we get. Brilliant, there we go. So that's working a treat. So if I unplug this, obviously we lose it. Plug it back in. And there we go. I think we can call that one fixed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.